This is the upper completed and the shoe last completed waiting here. Nowadays, the crocodile in both is popular and welcome. Okay. This is popular loafers. This is completed. The care style is welcome in American and Europe countries these days. And the shoes after shoe lasting prepare here and waiting for shipment. And before that, we do packing. Okay, let's say how to do packing. When the shoes everything is ready, we do check. Check the quantity upper the sole. After everything all confirmed, we do packing. Such like to check the customized shoe box, the customized dust bag, the customized tissue paper, the customized the mark, and some special customized from buyers. So I want to tell you that everything about shoe related we can do customized for you. So if you are worried about how to find a reasonable supplier, you can tell us. To make sure the shoe have a good looking, to make sure the shoe have good looking, and the clean is the most important factor. So everything we do, and we done that before shipment. So don't worry about to customize a shoe with your design, and you can't find out a reasonable factory.